Hello everyone, hope you guys are having a great day. Today I want to talk about the power of flax seeds. These tiny small seeds, they have immense benefits for everyone. They are loaded with nutrients, and if you consume them with the right guidance, then they can help you deal with a lot of health issues. So first I'll be talking about what they really have in terms of the nutrition, and then I'll be talking about the kind of diseases that they can help you deal with. So let's talk about fats. They're full of fats, 42%, and I'm talking about good fats. So out of those 42%, 27% are monounsaturated and saturated fatty acids. The remaining 73% are polyunsaturated fatty acids like omega-3, omega-6, and ALA, which is alpha-linoleic acid. Alpha-linoleic acid is basically an essential fatty acid, which means that it cannot be produced by the body, so it has to be consumed through your diet. And flax seeds are a great source of ALA. ALA, according to the National Library of Science, has antioxidant properties and helps you protect your brain from damage. It helps you reduce inflammation, and it also lowers the risk of cardiovascular risks. Now let's talk about carbs. Around 29% of flax seeds are carbs. And out of those 29%, 28% is just fiber. Out of those 28%, 40% is soluble fiber, and the remaining 60% is insoluble fiber. Soluble fiber basically helps you regulate your blood sugar levels, your cholesterol levels, and helps you suppress your hunger and cravings. This makes flax seeds a great food for type 2 diabetes patients, because it helps you regulate the blood glucose and insulin levels. So for people with type 2 diabetes, you can consider flax seeds as a part of your everyday diet. Now let's talk about the protein content in flax seeds. Around 18% of flax seeds are just protein. Although they are considered an incomplete protein because of the absence of fatty acid called lysine, but because they have a good amount of glutamine and arginine, they are still considered a very good source of protein and are helpful in maintaining good levels of immunity and good cardiovascular health. Now, besides fats, carbohydrates, and proteins, flax seeds are loaded with vitamins and minerals. For example, they have good amount of thiamine, which is also known as vitamin B1. It's required for the maintenance of proper nerve function and metabolism. The deficiency of vitamin B1 can cause beriberi. Flax seeds are also loaded with copper, which is required for proper growth and development. The deficiency of copper can cause hair loss, change in hair color, and hair texture. Flax seeds also have magnesium, which is one of the most important minerals needed in the body for about 300 plus biochemical functions. And it is needed for proper maintenance of nerve function and required for maintenance of proper calcium levels in the body. Flax seeds also have phosphorus, which is needed for good bone health and proper maintenance of tissues. Besides all the goodness of flax seeds, there are certain points that should be taken into consideration before you make flax seeds a part of your regular diet. For example, people with thyroid should not consume them in large quantities because of a plant compound called cyanogenic glycosides, which can bind itself with sodium compound to form thiocyanase. An excessive amount of thiocyanase can hamper with the functioning of thyroid gland, which is not healthy for thyroid patients. Second consideration to be noted is the presence of phytic acid. Now, phytic acid is an anti-nutrient, which means that it hampers, or we can say that it restricts the absorption of iron and zinc. So people with serious deficiencies of iron and zinc should not consume flax seeds because it can worsen the situation for you. Third point that should be taken into consideration about flax seeds is that they have blood thinning effects. So if you have bleeding disorders, or if you're taking any pills for blood thinning, then you should completely avoid them because it can really make the situation worse for you. One thing to remember about flax seeds is that you should always crush them before you consume them. It's very important for proper absorption of all the nutrients present in them. Because if you do not do that, then the body will just pass them as it is in the stool. All right? So if you've liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more videos on nutrition and lifestyle medicine. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.